Let's move to our views folder. Here we have layouts. Let's add another file. Let's call it navbar.blade.php. So we need here the dots. And let's find a navbar inside the Bootstrap website. So here let's move to docs. Let's search for navbar here. We have this navbars. So let's see what we have here. I think we can use any one. Let's use the first one that we have. Let's see, we have this one. Okay, let's copy and use it. So copy from here and use it here. Let's change the class here from so navbar expand and here bg body. Let's use navbar dark and bg dark. What else we have? Let's include it so we can see what we have. Let's include it here. Include layouts dot navbar. Save, go back, refresh the page. So here we don't use the inside our upload. We are not using. We can do that. Let's go to the upload. We can extend. So now we have the layouts dot up, and we can use section which is the content and paste here and save and go back and refresh. And now we have our navbar. Let's go back to the files here. Okay, let's close this file, this one. Let's organize. So where is it? Let's organize this. So here we have this link. So here let's add Laravel invoice scanner, and so here's scanner, and later we will add the routes. We don't have a route now, which is the home page. Next, what we have, let's add so let's add first, let's organize this. Let's remove this form, we don't need it. So the first one will be for the logged in user. Let's here display. We can use the icon FAS FA and use user, and here we can use the auth, and we guess the user, and we guess the name, and the route will add profile route later. So the active can remove it, and here let's use ms auto. And what else we need? We need also the logout. We need the logout link, and also we need to display the upload link. Let's copy from here. Let's remove these ones that we have here. Also this. So let's remove everything we have here and keep only this one. So here, as I said, it will take us to upload. Let's use the upload. I think they have an upload icon, and here we have upload, and we will add the route later. What else? We need logout link. So here let's use logout. Let's use here uppercase, and here we can use icon sign. I think they have sign outs. Okay, so these 2 or 3 routes will be available only if the user is logged in. So we used auth directive to check. So let's organize it again. Save. Let's go back. Now the user is already registered and logged in. So as you can see, we have some, we have upload, and we have logouts, but we need also to display the number of hearts. We did not display the number of hearts. Let's copy this one and paste it here and display the user hearts. And here we have the hearts. I think they have the hearts icon, and here I think we don't need to make it a link because it will only display, let's use only span, because it will only display the number of hearts. Save, let's refresh. We have 10 hearts, as you can see. We have the logout link, upload, and here we have name. Let's add the routes if the user is not logged in. Let's use the guest directive and paste. And here we need, I think there is user plus. And here let's change it. So where is it? Let's change it to register. And here login. So this one will be link. It will take us to register. So the route is already added, which is the register. And this one will be login. Okay, so let's try to log out. Let's try to log out the user. So here we have this link. We need to add a form to log out our user, and form will be post. It will take us to the route which is logout. Let's give it an ID here, ID, or let's do something. Let's remove ID and use only button. So I wanted to use the ID here and call it one-way click on the link. So we use the documents.getElements by ID, and we cast form by ID, and we submit it. Let's use another approach. Let's make it only, let's use first CSRF token, and here let's change it to button, and button type will be submit. And here we have logout, and let's so here we can give it a class. Let's give it a class better and outline light and better and SM, and let's give it margin left of 2. Save. Let's go back, refresh the page. Here we have our button, but I think it's a little bit, so it needs a little bit of the margin top. Let's give it margin top of 2 and see what we have. Let's refresh the page. I think now it's better. Okay, let's give it only 1 and see if it is better or not. Let's refresh the page, and I think now it's better. Let's log out, and we are logged out successfully. Okay, now we can register a new user again. So let's move now to login.